Hello. In this video I will explain how to restore the headlights of a car. It is not very difficult, anyone can do it. The first step is to wash the headlight, then isolate it on the edge so as not to scratch the elements. Rubber tape is used. If you use paper tape, you need to apply several layers to resist sanding. For this restoration, I use this kit. It contains everything you need for this project. Sandpapers, funnel lid, cup, car plug, 12 volts power adapter, 800 milliliters headlight repair fluid. You can find this product below in the description. I will start sanding with P280 to get the exfoliated and matte surface faster. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Then we continue with P600. A smaller grain P800. Towards the end, we use P1200, and always keep it wet. The last one is P5000, but you can also use P2000 or P3000, it starts to give a uniform and homogeneous shape. Wipe well, and move on to polymerization. We put polymer in the cup, connect it to the outlet to heat up, and then we wait about 3 to 4 minutes. After it heats up, some vapors, steam, will come out of the pipe. They are very faintly visible. With this steam we go over the surface of the headlight and spread it evenly. One time is enough. My advice is not to wash the headlight for 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.